Hello, what's up everyone? In today's video, I want to show you a AI coding tool I've been using recently quite a lot. I hope it's gonna be useful for you as well. It's called Jules.google, which is Google Jules, whatever. So compared to the other AI coding tools, Cursor, Cloud Code, or GitHub Copilot, which allows you to code fast and efficiently, but you have to stay with your laptop coding together with the agent, with the AI. Jules made an interesting UX, which is allow you to consider Jules as a remote coding body instead of the body sitting together with you. You can assign tasks to it asynchronously. This is especially useful for me when I was in the subway or having lunch. Suddenly, some ideas kick in. I just want to write some code and implement my ideas immediately. This is when Jules can really kick in and help me to do those things remotely. So what I'm gonna show you today is to create a project with Jules, and then I will show you how it does its job remotely with GitHub. Here, I've created a new empty project on GitHub. It's called VideoBuddy. I want to create an AI body watching videos together with me and then chit-chatting about the plots, the characters in the videos, or anything fun. Let's try to implement this thing with Jules. The interesting feature of Jules is that you can connect your GitHub organization with Jules. It reads all the repos you have. You create a new repo video body. It shows up in Jules UI within a couple of seconds. And then you can instruct Jules to do things you want here. Input your normal prompts. I've prepared a prompt for VideoBuddy. So the purpose of the application is to create a AI video watching body, and then the body will listen to the speaker of my laptop through black hole bridge that reduces the latency and improves the audio quality. And also using Whisper CPP to transcribe the audio into text message, which is a quite efficient library, which can leverages the OpenAI Whisper model, which normally are quite small. Any laptops can run them without any problem. Is we're going to pass the transcribed text message to local Olama to get directions, and then we want to output LLM response in the terminal-based GUI. That's how we're interacting with our video body. Later on, we can also add text to audio models here. If you have your prompt, you can open up this, and by the way, you can open up this web page on your phone and then just tap on the prompts, and then once you are satisfied with the prompts, you can click the button here, create a plan. And Jules will basically put up a virtual machine in Google's cloud environment, and then it will cloning the GitHub repo to the virtual machine and try to understand the basic structure of the code repo, and then understand your prompts, and then start doing the things you instructed to do. So now you can see Jules is started to clone our repo into the virtual machine. So I think this is really useful for individual developers or people building side projects, because if you're working at a large company, it's really hard for the security compliance department to allow you to do this kind of things where you have to share your code with Google. So after it clones the repo, and then Jules, as most of the AI assistant, will generate a step-by-step task for you to execute. You can review the task here. It's very clear, it's mobile friendly. You don't have to do this on a laptop. You can actually do it on a phone. And then if you're okay with the plan, you just approve it. Or it will auto approves in 2 minutes or 3 minutes, right? So in case you tap on your phone and you forgot to come back to approve plan, Jules will just automatically approve it. For the video's purpose, we just approve the plan here. And then you can see Jules started working on it. And by the way, you have 15 free tasks for Jules to run daily, which to me is quite sufficient. I do have a lot of ideas, but I cannot generate like hundreds of ideas for guys to work on. Another thing I want to share here is the code written by Jules is not as good as cloud code. So when you have a idea, you want to implement it quickly and have a demo POC skeleton, Jules is really good at it. But you probably want to refine the code, especially the UI, or if you have any UI UX or the functionalities with Cloud Code or any other tools you have. We can actually see the work in progress coding. All right, Jules has finished all the coding work. Now you can see this code is ready for review. Basically, what it does is implement code, prepare the commit message, and it offers an option for you to publish a pull request. We're just publishing the pull request. And then you can start viewing the PR on your GitHub repo. This is what I mean. You just assign a task to Jules, and later on you will receive a notification from your GitHub app. It tells you, hey, the PR is ready, please review my code. And this is a chance for you to see the overall code of what Jules does. See, these are all the work Jules has been done in the last 3 to 5 minutes, which is quite impressive. Here we just approve all the changes because it's the first commit. And here you can, by the way, you can do all of the things on your mobile phone. You don't have to do anything in the laptop. And once you review the code change, the PR, you can merge the pull request. Confirm merge, and then you can delete the branch, and then go back to the code. It's all there. I will attach the repo link in the video description so you can take a look at the work Jules has been done and see if it's good or not. We're not going to test the video watching body here because I think it's quite lousy. We still need some work. But the fact you can actually using Jules, Cloud Code, or Cursor, your favorite AI coding tools, synchronously and asynchronously, can greatly boost up your productivity and make you a way more efficient engineer. This is the power AI gives to us all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Jules has been helping me with a lot of projects. I hope it's going to be helpful for you as well. If you have any comments, any thoughts, let me know in the comments. I will try to reply to every one of them. Thank you very much. Till next one.